This vehicle-to-grid charger was designed with silicon carbide technology. This enables a high efficiency and energy density, this allowing a bidirectional charging and grid support.
This solution converts a park asset into an energy asset. Let's imagine a building with photovoltaic generation. We can use through smart charging the surplus energy of the photovoltaics to be stored into the vehicle battery. Here is when our solution makes a difference. Our EV charger allows to use the energy stored in the battery to back up the building when the energy is expensive or when the sun is not available. This EV charger is able to manage a fleet of electric vehicles, integrating them into a smart grid. Therefore, we can optimize the renewable energies generation, and also we will reduce the cost of the electricity bill.